She grabbed her friends by the hand and began dragging them away from the beach.
Sorry. We have a class, so we have to go now. Bye!
Wait! Hold on a moment there!
The wizard called.
If we are indeed both magic, then it would be best for us to stay in touch, don't you think?
His lanky stride caught up to them almost immediately.
That makes sense to me!
Feeny beamed.
Feeny!
Molly hissed.
Very well!
The stranger bellowed.
My name is Rick Shades. Would you like to
He extended his gloved hand to Phoenica.
be my friend?
Something was wrong about the way he held out his arm. It had an unusual weight to it, as if it was traveling in slow motion, like a car in bullet time just before an accident. Feeny deliberated.
Okay! Feeny!
Molly reached out to stop her, but it was too late. The moment that Phoenica grabbed the wizard's hand, the sky tore open like blue construction paper. Beyond the sky was nothing. Nothing after nothing came bursting out. With a crack and a bang, a bolt of pure black lightning speared down, striking their handshake in a flash of cold, dark light. Black electricity crackled across their fingertips, dancing like spider legs until it spun itself together into a single string. The string wriggled and writhed, then, all of a sudden, stretched out as taut as an arrow. One end of the arrow shot out and pierced through Phoenica's heart. The other end speared the wizard's chest as an elated smile broke across his face like a fissure in the earth. His eyes turned as black as his sunglasses. They glowed as he flung back his head, cackling like a maniac in triumph.
The pact is sealed! Anyways, it's nice to meet you.
He smiled. Blink. The world was back to normal.